Now, all the seams everywhere have to be caulked and sealed. That's what we're about to start doing now. We're going to come along here and caulk this. Where it meets the shower pan, where the frame meets the shower pan, has got to be caulked. It states that very plainly in the directions. Once you get your caulking put down, you get your finger wet, and then you take it and just wipe it across where you've just caulked, and it'll leave a nice smooth finish where everything will be nice and pretty when you're done. And getting your finger wet just helps the caulk smooth along. So now I'll continue up the side here, across the bottom of the pan, and where our soap dish was, we've taken the tape off, and I'm ready to fill the cracks with clear silicone. Well, it's not silicone, it's a acrylic latex caulk. And that's about the end of this shower installation.